Hello, everybody. We are here today to talk about creating good infographics for our libraries and specifically talking about how to make them screen reader friendly using Canva. We want to begin with some discussion about infographics in general and how to make the design, the content, and the layout good for communicating to audiences. But then we're going to speak more specifically about aspects that make our presentations accessible both in print and then specifically in digital format. As we are working with our websites and making sure that any content on them is accessible to all users, including those that are using screen readers and other assistive technologies, one of the major things we need to look at is what our other content that we are posting to our website looks like. We're going to begin today with a couple of examples of different infographics and work through them step by step, both in developing a good print infographic and then also going into specifically in Canva, the tools that we have to make a screen reader friendly version of that. So the very first thing we want to talk about in planning a document or planning an infographic document is the content and the audience. The audience is most important because why should they care? Why are we communicating this information and why should they specifically care about this? If you are creating an infographic for your library board, for your funding body, be it a municipal or a county funding body, they're probably going to want to hear some more specific or more detailed information than maybe just the person coming into the library, general media, or anything. But this is a big time of year for looking at annual report data and reflecting on the years past. So we're going to look at a couple of examples that are specific to annual report, but also I have a couple of examples here that were made for a funding body. So this example, and I'm just going to talk through audience here. This example is specifically made for a funding, specifically a county library board and a county board. It begins on the first page with an overview of the previous year's numbers and information. And on the reverse side, it talks specifically about how funding works. So this is going to be a much more specifically developed graphic than you might hand out to individuals coming through your library or give to the media, unless you're trying to explain to a broader audience about why you're going to the county for specific funding questions. This is another example of an infographic made to inform a funding body, the same funding body as the previous one. This one uses a lot more words, but it's broken up in a way to make it easier to break down the information. And it talks specifically about the funding cycle around a library. So this is not one that is tied to a specific year. It doesn't have any specific data points in it. It is an informational infographic to help explain a process. Notice in this one that while it is specific, it is more it is more what's the word I'm looking for? It's more detailed and it to some degree has more intellectual content to it. It is intended to avoid jargon as much as possible or to explain jargon. So as we have an audience that we have in mind, and what our goal for this audience then is to educate them as to how libraries are funded. If you are a county board member, you are thinking about how is the sheriff's department funded? How is the ambulance funded? How is the health and human services or social services department funded? You have a lot of different information coming at you. Libraries are different. Libraries get a different kind of funding from the county. And so this is intended to very quickly orient those who are making important decisions about a library to a process that can be complicated and confusing because it's probably not front and center to what they're thinking about when they run for county board. So in this case, it is intended to talk through Oneida County funding specifically, which townships in Oneida County are funded by which libraries are funded by which municipalities. And we get into some jargon where we're talking about libraried or unlibraried towns. This is, again, it's complicated, but the idea here is to keep this simple enough for somebody who has to understand complex ideas, but needs to be able to understand that very quickly. And so just big picture overview, you can see that this is written at a probably higher than 5th grade level, but at an accessible writing level. It references and uses some script to be able to call out key points and to be able to identify different pieces. So there's the limited images in here. Images are limited to a map of the county and to a cycle to image to help describe the process for a county. This one does not contain any charts or doesn't contain any graphs, but so the images are specifically selected to inform the user and the reader on this. The other things that we are looking at in this one are accessibility as far as contrast and readability and those pieces. The further accessibility that we need to look at if we were to publish this online would be to make sure that a screen reader reads this information in order, that there is alternative text or description of the fact that there's a map here, and it reads down the content, and ideally would also have some headings that would allow a person to jump around to the information that is pertinent to them. We will come back to those aspects of this, but for now, what we are looking at is what makes a good infographic. The next infographic here, back to this infographic, is more, it contains that funding information on this page presented in more detailed and different information here, but again, it's trying to simplify it in a way that a very busy, overburdened decision maker can scan and get some historical context as well as state statute references. The front of this was intended to show value of the library services themselves in this county. What I want to call out here is the idea that not only do you have a clean contrast, high contrast images that reflect and draw the eye through the content, but there is a very clear narrative layout to this infographic. It starts with the title and the heading information at the top, and it's broken down into 3 sections. The first section presents raw numbers. I have a problem with raw numbers, and I'm going to explain that as we go through, but for various reasons, it's a good place to start. So this one tells the story that in this year, there were this many registered users in the county. And if you know about the population of the county, that gives you a reference point. It might help to actually state in here that there are about 35,000 residents in the county. But if you're talking to county board members, they probably have a fairly good idea of what the population of the county is. So there's give and take as to whether you include that context information itself. Then it gives the number of visits to libraries, physical items borrowed, items moved between the libraries, digital items checked out, participants in different programs, programs that were held on-site or off-site from the library, public computer uses, Wi-Fi uses, and website visits. I highly dislike content that simply states a number. And the reason is I have no idea outside of context whether 163,000 visits to the library is a good thing or a bad thing. So what? There are 163,000 visits to 3 libraries. Yay. Um, What does help here is there is a small amount of referential context here in that there were 19,000 registered users and 163,000 visits. I could do some general math to kind of figure out how many visits each user made. Again, if I had that county population statistic, it would help me understand out of the population of the county, about 20, if there's 30,000 35,000 residents of the county, and 20,000 of them have library cards. That's more than 50%, but I have to do the math to do that. So therefore, the next section here gives it in per capita. So now we're presenting with the raw numbers, and now we're doing the math for the reader. We're not making them stress their brain. You're saying that in 2024, the average Oneida County Library user visited a library 8 times. Okay, so they have a library card and they've come in not quite once a month, but more than once every other month. That's pretty good. They checked out 14 items. Oh, I thought books were dead. Turns out they're still checking out items. They downloaded ebooks and audiobooks, but not nearly as many as the physical items. So they're still using physical items more than they're using e-items. They used a public computer, logged into Wi-Fi 6 times. So again, that's once every other month that a person is going in and using a computer. A library card holder is. And they participated in 2 library programs or self-directed activities. Again, you can make the value judgments as to whether that's a big number, a small number, but it gives you much more context than just saying that there were 30,000 participants in these activities. It tells you that if they're a registered library card holder, they're probably going to participate 2 times in different activities. The next part here, and again, you could go much more in deep detail and tell this story in a different way, but at least it's presenting the information in the context of not just raw numbers. What it also does not tell me is this better than last year? Is that less than last year? Are we growing? Are we declining? There is no trend information presented in this infographic. You have to decide what your message is. Are you trying to show change over time? In which case, you need to present the information differently. If you're trying to present a snapshot and having a clear choice in presenting only a snapshot in time is also important. This is a hard decision to make. Often it helps to have multiple different infographics ready so that if somebody does say, well, is this better or worse, you've got something else to lean on. Again, this is a infographic made specifically for funding bodies. So the idea here was to communicate that that a lot of residents have library cards, but the municipalities that are supporting the 3 libraries in this county are putting a lot more money out there than the county as a whole. So this one talks about how almost more than half of the county residents have a library card, and a quarter of them live in a community that does not directly support a library. So this 27% is what we're going to the county to request additional funding to support their use of the library from the wider county as a whole. And that's, again, half the residents live in a town with a library, but then a third do not, but they have a library card. And then as a whole, the municipalities are paying about $51 per capita, per capita, whereas the county is only paying $34 per capita. So the municipalities that have a library are pitching in a lot more money, whereas the county is giving only that. I can't do quick math. Is that a little over, or is that 3/4 of the amount that a municipality is paying for a resident to use a library? This also is emphasizing the idea that no matter where you live, you should have access to using a municipal library service. Just because you happen to live in a community that doesn't have a library doesn't mean you're barred. In fact, by Wisconsin state statute, you legally have a right to use any library in the state. So this again tells a story. And the other thing to note in this is as it's telling a story, it is telling it from the top down to the bottom, from the upper right-hand corner, upper left-hand corner down to the bottom right-hand corner. So it's a reading thing, and you're improving on the story and you're gaining information as you go. What is not included is as important as what is included, and that is very specifically important to understanding what your audience might be after. If your audience wants more information on trend data, you need to make a different infographic for that. So some specific points to remember in creating an infographic is starting with who your audience is and why they need to know this information. What do you want them to walk away with in order to make a decision, to have a feeling, to have an understanding? Frame your numbers in a way that tells a story, that here's our raw numbers, but that means that individuals in Oneida County are using a library at this rate, or card holders, and then half of our county has a library card. For general use, keeping it at a 4th to 5th grade reading level as much as possible. Avoid jargon at all costs. In your design and your setup, choose images that support your text, but don't rely on the images. Use text in order to lay out the actual content of your information. Don't rely, and also do not use words. Use text boxes, do not use images of text. And that's going to be key for an accessibility piece. And when you are writing, this is a really good opportunity to use artificial intelligence tools to help you phrase information in short statements. If you need help getting an entire paragraph winnowed down to something more succinct, go ahead and use your artificial intelligence tools. Now, the next pieces that we need to look at are accessibility specific pieces. The first one that you're going to be able to look at is a color contrast. And what's really nice about, in this case, Canva, is there are often accessibility checkers within this. And this is going to check for electronic accessibility. And I'm going to demonstrate, actually, I'm going to begin with my new document. So this is a very brief, and I think we're going to work through this in a couple of different ways. We're going to work through the accessibility piece as we work through an actual layout on an infographic. So this is an infographic from Menominee Public Library that was shared with me. And we're going to work through this really nice, it's a clean, nice layout, very simple. Doesn't have a lot of information. I don't know who the audience specifically is. I'm guessing this is intended for a general audience that might be handed out at the circulation desk. It might be posted on a website. It's probably trying to hit a multitude of interested individuals and be a general reference. I probably would prefer to target my audience a little bit more, but I think a lot of libraries really do start with something that you can just talk about last year with as a starting point. So we're going to go ahead and work with this. And I'm going to run the initial accessibility checker on this in a minute. But let's walk through first some things that we should do to just enhance this particular training piece, or this particular communication piece. It starts out with a really nice 2025 year of impact. I'm going to make myself a little space here and I do like the white space. I do like that it's not overcrowded, that there's not too much content. However, for our purposes, and again, speaking in full, complete language, we are going to need to add some content to this. So let's start with the 2025 year of impact and it tells us that there were 79,287 in-person visits. Again, my question is, so what? I don't have any reference to know whether this is a big thing or a small thing. If you're living in the city of Menominee, you probably have a better idea about what size the population is, but it really doesn't give me any reference point. What is included here is a small statement in tinier print that says that it's up 3.4%. And I'm going to make the assumption that that means it's up 3.4% over 2025 or over 2024, previous year. But in this case, I want to come out and say that. So again, speaking in full sentences here, I'm going to ungroup this. And I'm actually going to steal this to be able to speak in a full, well thought out sentence. I'm going to year of impact. In 2025, Menominee Public Library had, and I would actually really like to know the number of registered users. I don't have that information off the top of my head. So I'm just going to, from the library. So I'm just going to go ahead, how is it phrased in this one? Had, and we'll just go with this. And now it's going to read into the number of in-person visits. I'll just move this up, didn't everything here. 79,287 in-person visits. And instead of using the arrow for this one, I am going to actually add text here that says this is an increase of 3.4% over 2024. And if you want it to stand out, we can do a little bit with, oh, that one doesn't allow us to make bold, that font choice. And I'm going to go ahead and use all my space here because I think I'm going to need it. Some of this is learning how to use Canva in general. I am assuming that everybody here has access to Canva and has used it at least enough to do this, to be able to manipulate some of this. And again, I love the white space. I'm going to try to use it in a slightly different way to make myself a little more room and then eventually be able to spread it out. So 79,287 in-person visits. This is an increase of 3.4% over 2024. The other thing I want to do, and I'm thinking ahead to accessibility, is I am going to add punctuation because it's important to a screen reader. A screen reader will will put pauses in if there is punctuation. So I'm going to do this throughout my document. And I will do this quickly here. Ungroup this. We do have card holders. Ungroup. I could go ahead and put card holders up here, but I'm going to go ahead and go with this library's layout. Card holders. I could even shorten this a little bit and increase. And the other thing I'm going to be a little worried about right here, it does say it's 3.8%, 13 points. We need to pay attention for accessibility to font size, but I think we're going to be okay with this. Let's see, line this up. And again, I like the little arrow, but we are going to add words to this, and this, an increase of 3% over 2024. And again, my punctuation is important. I'm thinking ahead. Now I'm going to group these all together. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I might be able to spread these out again, but I'm saving myself some space. This one I might need to actually do this with. This is where I may need to give myself a little extra space here is I don't know if this 16% is a digital increase or so I'm going to make an assumption 20, and then again, I want to go with words as much as possible, full sentences or complete statements. Oops, copy that. Including, or 25%, let's actually delete that. Actually, better idea. Okay. Of which 20 were digital items, period. See if I can fit this all in here without losing. I'll decrease that. Eesh. It's going to get in the danger zone as far as this is an increase of 16.5% over 2024, period. And again, this may be where I need to have the library come in and clarify some things, but what I am coming up with is my assumptions. And so you can also assume that you can draw from that other individuals may struggle just as much as me in knowing what these statistics refer to. I'm going to group these items. Group. This. Uses. Up 2024. Looks like, yep, this one we're gonna need a little more space for. Grouping these two. Had 9,834 that's around attendees at 338 programs. line up there. Sorry, little arrows. I do like you, but we're not going to keep you here. This is an increase of 20% over. You can argue with me on the alignment, but we are just going to group those together. So now we have our items, and what's glorious about this, so we can do something like, oh, this is not grouped yet. So I want to make sure each one of these is grouped, and this is going to become important in a little bit when we talk about accessibility. But right now, this is just Canva design. We're going to space evenly vertically here, actually, and using up my white space. Let's go with position. We're going to align left, and we're going to space evenly vertically. No, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, so now we have our beautiful picture of the Menominee Library in pencil drawing. This is going to need alt text, but we'll come back to that in a second. So the front side is just, ooh, that got moved. That apparently didn't get of which. Ooh, okay. That didn't get grouped. Which? Then I'll group all of these together. Okay. So we have our front, and again, full sentences tells a story from the top down to the bottom. The back of our card is about library funding. I am actually going to add several things to this. Again, we want to go back to our full text idea, and we need to add some alt text to our content here. I'm going to give myself a little more space. So as we start talking about charts, we need to be able to explain what is on the page in text, and we need to use alt text for our charts. So I'm going to, let's see, can I steal? I want to stay consistent with my fonts. So I'm going to just steal some text here. So I'm using the same font family. Group this back so it doesn't get ungrouped. Let's see. MPL, and that's an abbreviation, but let's see. Menominee Public Library. Nope, I'm going to write out Menominee. Menominee Public Library receives funding from four main sources, or from four sources. Dunn County, the city of Menominee, other bordering counties, and other sources. I have a little bit of wiggle room in text size here. This chart shows breaks down funding see, this chart shows, I want to keep it simple, amounts from each source for previous 4 years. And actually, what I also want to do, I'm going to end up making this chart smaller, but I don't want to get too small. So I need to add a revenue heading. Library revenue. And what I might do is make this and make this a little bit smaller. Now, the next thing I need to do in here is I need to add alt text to my to my chart. The text up here should communicate to readers and visual readers and those using assistive technologies like screen readers an equal amount of information. But because a person using a screen reader can't just glance at a chart, we need to add some alternative text. I'm going to think a little bit more carefully. I have some alternative text here. Example. This is a stacked bar chart comparing the four sources of library revenue. May not need to say that up above. Across a 4-year span, 2022 through 2025. This is not decorative. From 4 sources, let's see. Why don't we be a little more descriptive here? From 4 sources. The majority of funds comes from Dunn County, with the second largest total from the city of Menominee. Lesser amounts are received from bordering county circulation reimbursements, and that may be too technical, but why would bordering counties be paying the city of Menominee for, or the Menominee Public Library, and other sources such as donations and fundraising. Leave that. And this may be where I would go back and ask for some assistance on shortening this from AI. So then we have our total library revenue is here. I'm going to change this. So that's 22, go down to 22, and I'm going to change that just for library funding there. And then this says library expenses. And again, I want to create space to add, and we're going to make this disclaimer move down a little bit. I want to be able to add text here. I want to be able to say about the same. Menominee Public Library expends funds in 3 categories. Staffing, general expenses, and on the library collection. And what's really neat about Canva is it does have some neat charting things where you can actually see the specific numbers when you roll over them. And so when we publish this, that could be a benefit, but we need to still provide enough information in here. In general, staffing expenses are the majority of the library's annual expenditures, followed by general expenses, and finally collection. Interesting. And that makes that easy. Now we have to add alt text. Let's see, stacked bar chart comparing the main library expenditure categories across the 4-year span from 2022 through 2025. And then we've got our total spent in 2025. And I'm going to move this. The note numbers reflect the information available at the time of printing. Make that a little smaller there. Okay, we have our slightly revised. I'm going to see if I can have this. Oops. Let's distribute evenly. Ooh, apparently didn't select that. And I'll probably come back and clean that up a little bit, but you get the idea of what we are going for. Now, our next piece that we need to do is start checking and modifying for accessibility. Our essential pieces, we can start with the checker within Canva itself. It will check for design accessibility, specifically contrast, typography, and one other thing, and alternative text. So what we have here is it's telling us we have 3 issues with typography, 2 issues with color contrast, and 15 issues with alternative text. I'm just going to follow right down this and see what Canva tells us. Starting with the total revenue text box, it says that the font size is not 12. And so I'm going to go ahead and increase it to 12. Again, this one is increased font size to 12. I think we are off by just a little bit. That one does increase a little bit. And again, the total spent in 2025, it wants it up to 12. Okay, so that takes care of our typography. That says that this is These are 12.8. What I would probably do is come in here and do some, it looks like it's squished a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that for our purposes today. Next thing is color contrast. It says that this is low contrast while nothing else in here is triggering a contrast error. Maybe it's because of the size of the font. And so we could go with a darker color right there because the font size was getting too small. And then this one again says a low, for this one, it says that it's low contrast. It does supply, offer some suggested colors. We could just put that in black for now, just to make sure that it actually fits. Now that's text issues. The last one is alternative text. And a lot of this is going to pull images that are, in our case, specifically decorative. This doesn't need alternative text. We can mark as decorative and save that and do that for most of these. In this case, it's really not anything that is going to add that. I'm going to say that in this case, it's not adding any information to describe these particular items. Somebody could argue with me that if we're choosing to use any kind of image, then at least these icons that have an open book, it probably could be replaced. It could use some alternative text. I will leave this to other experts to let me know if, and I have a feeling that the jury would be out in a lot of cases. We're going to mark that as decorative. The square boxes obviously are decorative, but whether or not the person with a heart, an apple, and a weight set, it should be described in icon of image of a person. That might be a situation when you would want to actually describe that. If you need some tips for doing that sort of thing, or for creating alternative text, then go ahead and review my other documentation for tools for finding alternative text generators. Set my this, okay, I believed that this is not text. I thought it was text. This is an example of using image as text where this is an image, but I would not use this. I am going to see about replacing the 2025 with actual text because we have some nice font here. It's not quite as nice, but for our purposes, let's go with, let's see, how big can we make this? Text width. Not exactly the same look. There might be another font that does a better job of making a narrow look, but for the sake of having real text, this is what we're going with. An example of, like, as you create your document, you may need to find yourself going back and forth and revising based on the content that you have. So the next thing is pulling up is adding alternative text to our drawing down here. So I would say a pencil art drawing of the Menominee Public Library with, is it pencil or is it watercolor? Watercolor. painting. Watercolor painting of the public building, of the Menominee Public Library building. And some people may want to give it a little more detail, but we will work with this. And now we have the Menominee Public Library logo. So we're going to do Menominee Public Library logo with a graphic letter M placed over a stylized open book. Oh, and I should say alternate text. Open book and the words Menominee Public Library. There. Not, let's see, where is this? Oh, the equal signs. I'm just going to say no alt text for these. Mark as decorative. I may regret that later. Okay, so that's Canva's initial accessibility read on this particular document. I probably myself would come to the chart and probably try to do some other things. These are very tiny, but for the sake of time here, we're going to leave these pieces alone because they weren't coming up in that. So now we have a document that visually has passed our contrast checks. It contains complete text, and you could print this off for distribution. What we want to do is take this object or this infographic and prepare it for distribution online.